Well, thank you for joining Don Gatling with the National Real Estate Cafe. Usually Gino's here, but gave a little time off for bad behavior. Anyways, today we're going to talk about servicing. What does that mean? When you get a home loan, does the company that does your loan retain the servicing? In most cases, they don't. So let's show you this chart to kind of prove the point. All right, so here's the percentage of banks that retain their servicing. You can see all the way up till the end of basically 2000, almost to 2010, 14% of the banks were retaining their servicing. And then it went up to a industry high in 2012 where over 1/3 of all loans being held were actually being serviced by the lender. That's because most of the loans at that time were only being done by the banks. And then as credit standards loosened, a lot of the mortgage bankers, such as us at Skyline Home Loans, were able to basically capture more of the market, but most of us do not retain the servicing. You can see about 1 out of 4 loans now are being retained for servicing, meaning they're the ones that collect the payments from you and follow up with you on all the inbound accounts and everything else that's involved with it. So, moral of the story is not all banks retain their service. You think whoever you do your loan with, that's who's going to handle your loan after the fact. What's actually most important is who handles your loan initially, meaning the loan officer that you're working with. If you have a great loan officer that really cares about you and wants to retain the relationship for life, that's who is the most important person, because if there are issues with the servicing, it happens. The banks are not all perfect. It happens, but you are able to get a hold of your loan officer, your mortgage planner, and have them assist you if there are any issues, because I know we step in anytime there is an issue. So even if you go, oh, I'm just going to go with my bank, well, they may sell the servicing as well, or maybe they don't service as well, or maybe you can't get a hold of the particular loan officer you are working with because they're no longer with that bank. So what's key is build a relationship with a great mortgage planner. They will save you headaches and money and interest over time. Trust us. You hear it right here in the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gatling and usually Gino Franti. You can find out more. Actually, get these sent to your phone by texting NREC to the number 58885, or find out more at don&gino.com. Check out our YouTube channel. 1,700 interviews on there, educating you so you're in the know.